nongelam jong ka Shillong All Faith Forum hanik sngi la lej bani kandu yo menteri katanat social welfare ba poleng do ban penpaw ya kejing kershan jongki bani kon pyrshah ya Drok ha ka jela Meghalaya hi barok kawai habakran bit kinong tho khobor udkhot jong kasaf unaba bata charji ulai thu ba kasaf ka kwa bani don mentalang mat ka sarkar bani le pyrshah ya kejing jelai jong Drok ha ka jela Habai keren pat badu menteri katanat social welfare ubak poleng do ulai thu ba nakaliang jong kinongelam jong kasaf kelawan bani kendu ya bani keren ya kilat kilenti bakin shim bani kon pyrshah ya ke jingjelai jong Drok ha ke jela da ki kam bat ki jing ai jing hikai ka ba maki kin le nakaliang ubak pol ulai thu ba katanat social welfare bat kasorkaru kan etrai rengkat bat kasaf namar Lengba ke ïatreilang bat kinongelam niam kinla ban kren halor ke jingma jong Drok bat kinla ru ban pensyai pajba habai dei bat ke jingma lada ki kun samla kin ngop ha Drok.
In a moral and spiritual way, want to also take up this issue, which is a social evil which is plaguing the state and is a major issue of the state. I think all of you agree. So we met the Honorable Minister and he is also very keen to eradicate and take steps. So we would like to just assist and take up some programs which we have submitted to Honorable Minister, and I think he will brief you all accordingly.
So what are the suggestions?
Honorable Minister will brief you. We have given in writing. We'll have involving school children and all these and dissemination, awareness and all these issues.
So that will be the role of the SAF?
On the role, tang facilitate from SAF.
Very fruitful, very meaningful interaction with members of the Shillong All Faith Forum, comprising of faith leaders of various religious institutions and denominations. The meeting is a follow-up of the last interactive session which I had with all stakeholders, including these faith leaders. The idea behind the meeting was that the various religious institutions wanted to actively support the efforts of the government of Meghalaya to contain, control and sensitize people, especially the young, about the pitfalls and the dangers that await them if they are involved in drug menace in any form. So we have broadly decided that along with the religious heads, they will come up with a calendar of activities starting from tentatively the 5th of December, where we propose to have a day-long seminar and awareness program involving students of class 10 up to class 12 on the drug scene and the menace of drug trafficking in the state. And after there will be resource persons from departments like social welfare, home police, and also from the religious heads. But this will just be how we kickstart the efforts. But after that, we will sustain these interactions by having this calendar of activities where we will not only confine ourselves to Shillong but also cover other areas where especially the menace of drugs has reached those areas. So that was the purpose of the meeting, and I'm thankful to the religious heads for having shown very keen interest and also deep concern regarding the drug scene in the state because we need their sustained support. Government by itself will not be able to successfully contain this menace on its own without the active support of civil society and the faith leaders. We also discussed the idea of their having at regular intervals Drok awareness programs, whether it's in the church or in the mandars or in the masjid. We're happy that all major religious groups have come together and they have a forum comprising of 26 eminent personalities drawn from those various groups. And we have also authorized one of the members, the secretary of the forum, Father Robert Majau, to coordinate with the Department of Social Welfare, and then they will reach out to the various schools who will then send their children to participate in this initial awareness program on the 5th of December. So that is on today's meeting.